Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video today, I want to show you how we can quickly go from a MIDI file that we've created in, say, Logic Pro or Ableton Live or a DAW, something like that, and turn it into an overlaid projection directly onto the programming wheel. So on your left, you can see right now a cylinder. It's roughly the size of the Marble Machine programming wheel. And I've created a CAD model with an overlaid projection that simulates all 24,320 of the available programming pin positions on the Marble Machine programming wheel. So what I want to do today is take this very familiar vibraphone tune, and we'll export it and show just the locations where these pins would go if we wanted to play this song on the MMX. So I'm going to show you that in real time. I'm going to do this really quickly just to show how quick the workflow can be. If you are interested in doing a deep dive, check the link in the description. There's a much longer video that kind of goes in depth on all the different procedures to make this work. But anyway, I'm just going to take this vibraphone part, project it on the cylinder we have here, and show you how that works. So here we go. We'll take the vibraphone part that we have here, export this as a MIDI file. And I'm going to go into this Excel workbook, open up that MIDI file, and that converts it into Excel data for us with some data that we need. I'm going to copy that content, paste it into this other workbook. It's going to do some analysis on it. Going to sort from smallest to greatest in this note column here. Now this gives us all of the notes on the piano that were found in the entire song, and now I'm going to convert those notes on the piano, like an 88 key piano, into Marble Machine channels from, say, 1 to 38. I'm skipping 2 because there's 2 lanes per instrument, right, per vibraphone plate. So now I'm going to sort this column here. This gives me all of the spatial position that was found, all of the programming pin locations that were found in the entire song. And I'm just going to paste that content as a new workbook, save it as a CSV. We'll call this vibe.csv. I'm going to close it. So I'm going to open up my CAD editor here. I'm going to delete this one that I had from last time. So I'm going to import that Vibe CSV that we just created. I'm going to turn those points in space into rectangles that are 4 by 2 millimeters, and they're yellow. So here we have them right there. I'm going to publish this job. And now we're going to go into the shop floor software. And I'm going to create a new job, that MM2016 we just made. We'll call this Demo 2. And I'm going to insert the programming pins, and there you should have a live projection of exactly where the vibraphone part that I just showed you goes. But obviously we can't see the entire barrel, so what we want to do is digitally rotate the barrel to position 2. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Oops. Just show you another view of that there. We'll rotate the barrel another 90 degrees. And the last 90-degree clocking. So there you have it. So in a very short time, we can take a song that we've got a MIDI file for, that we've composed in Logic Pro or Ableton, and export that and turn it into a projection map showing us exactly where the programming pins go. So again, if you want to do a deep dive and understand a little bit more of the nuts and bolts of how this works, check the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks, guys.